Hello traders, Dion here. All right, I just wanted to make a video on single candle order blocks again. So this is the current market. This is 75 1 is 15-minute time frame. Okay, I just want to show you a trade that I missed. I wanted to scalp a certain trade. Okay, and it was actually a counter trend. It's a counter trend. Okay, but I missed this one. Also, I don't if you're a beginner, I don't advise you taking counter trades. Okay, it's way too risky, so you'd rather just follow the trend. All right, so from that high to this low, this is the premium zone. Okay, and the first order block was right here. This was the first order block here. Okay, now I already drew out this order block, this POI, but for some reason I missed it. I was not around. I had some things to take care of. Okay, so of course there were some sell setups that happened, which I would have gotten some coins here up to somewhere down here. But what I want us to concentrate on is this candle that formed afterwards. Okay, this candle right here, which was confirmed by this black candle right here. So if you don't know what single candle order blocks, I advise you to just watch my video on single candle order blocks. All right, so here this was like a second chance for me because the market this candle confirmed this candle as a single candle order block. Okay, so I just want to show you what was happening down there. This is a very small movement here, as you can see. The market hasn't even gone anywhere, and you can see it's still going up, and this is highly likely, okay, because this is a counter trend. If you go to what is 75 1s index, you can clearly see that uh, it's still going up. So okay, this right here. Okay, let me just do that. All right, so we'll just concentrate on this single candle order block. Now imagine you were already analyzing your chart, you've already marked your POIs and all that, you are in tune with the market direction, but there are these opportunities that form on the lower time frame. Okay, let's go to 1 minute time frame. As you can see, I drew it on a single candle order block. So okay, let's do this. This is where the market dropped. Okay, so this one, this was a reaction on the original order block, the first primary order block that I drew. Okay, this is where the market just dropped. Okay, just dropped all the way down and then went up again. It made if you know the two sell setups, entry setups, I mean you can already see what's happening here. Okay, the market just went up and then looked for an order block and then started dropping. Now what we want to concentrate on is this area right here. Okay, this is where it went up again. Okay, after reacting to the primary. So this area here, this is where the single candle block area is on the 15-minute chart. All right, so now when it comes to entry, this is very aggressive. Okay, let's do this. This is very aggressive. Okay, of course it's a single candle order block, which if you're not careful, and considering that this is a counter trend, it's actually risky. So here there are only two trades here. Now when you enter, I'm saying this again, when you enter here, it's a single candle order block right here. Okay, right here. Okay, when you do this, in fact, let's just do this. Okay, that's where the stop loss is. The stop loss doesn't have to move like that. If you start doing that, you are missing the whole point. Okay, if the stop loss is hit, just let it be hit. So there's your stop loss. Now this is what I do. Okay, when the market hits my risk to reward ratio of 2, the stop loss is moved to break even. Okay, and then when the market hits this 3 right here, risk to reward ratio of 3, some profits have to be taken out. My final profit, this is a counter trend, so I didn't even want to go all the way down. All of this has to happen on the lower time frame. The final take profit was right here, okay, because this was the last low, okay, which was just a risk to reward ratio of 7. It's not much, but it makes sense still. Okay, now if you missed here, if you missed it here, there was another opportunity all the way up there. Okay, the market just went all the way up again, hit into that order block, and then started moving. Now if you didn't see the order block, let me remove this. If you didn't see this extreme order block here, or the previous, okay, let's just stick with this one, I don't want to confuse you. If you stick with this extreme order block right here, there was another opportunity here that was given. Of course I didn't enter here. For me, I was done for the day. This is where you just have to control your impulses. Okay, even if you see really good opportunities like this was a single candle order block right here. Okay, now I didn't enter this one, but if you had to enter this one, this is what you have to do. Okay, the moment it just goes into the risk to reward ratio of at least 2, if you want, this is just my preference. Okay, if you want, you can increase it. I don't know how much patience you have or how strong your mental capacity is, but for me, I'm not that patient. I'm not that good mentally. So yeah, there's that. So this is where you move your stop loss to break even, so that you don't lose anything if the market goes against you. And this down here can be your final take profit. Okay, this is a counter trend, so you just have to go in and get out as quick as possible. Okay, whatever happens down here, of course my take profit was still here, so it was hit right here, and whatever happens down here, it didn't even go that far. It has nothing to do with me. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a few pointers again, just to refresh your mind in case you are still confused on the single candle order blocks. Okay, so this market is still playing around this level, but guys, for you to not be greedy, when you make a certain amount on a day, you always need to have targets. Okay, when you reach your target, move away from your charts. If you want, start back testing. Okay, start back testing, but don't be on your chart for too long. Don't be on your charts for too long. It's tiring. It's even bad for your health. Okay, yeah, so that's just what I wanted to say, and I hope this helps. Happy trading.